Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 843 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Dominique Cosmetics Strawberry Lemonade Lip Gloss that I got in my May 2020 Boxycharm box. I'm so excited to be moving on to my Boxycharm products now because I finally got my premium box in the mail. So I did a comparison unboxing video of my regular Boxycharm box to the Boxycharm Premium. So I'll have that video linked down below if you want to see it. But I was really excited to get another Dominique Cosmetics product in my box. And this one looks so beautiful. I'm obsessed with this packaging. So like I said, I have the shade Strawberry Lemonade. This retails for $17. And so today is pretty much the first day of the year that it's been warm enough for me to wear a dress. So I put on my pink dress and I felt like this pink lip gloss, this Strawberry Lemonade lip gloss would be the perfect product for today. So I'm really excited to check it out. Ooh, I like this applicator. It's like a flat, oval, rounded tip applicator. Here's what that looks like. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. It doesn't smell exactly like strawberry lemonade. It actually smells like vanilla, but it's the sugary vanilla scent that the lip glosses that I would use when I was a kid smelled like. So this is such a nice nostalgic scent to me. And let's see what this color looks like. Oh, it's a lot more sheer than I was expecting and hoping, but it has a lot of shine. Here's what that looks like. It looks like a really pretty gloss. I just think this color in the packaging here is so pretty that I wish it was more pigmented and more true to how this color looks, because this is just so pretty to me, but that's okay. Maybe it's a perfect lip topper, but I'm excited to still see how it looks on its own. Great application, and it looks really pretty. It has the tiniest, slightest little tint of pink color to it, but mostly it's just a very high shine, juicy lip gloss that looks so nice. It's a nice thick formula as well. Feels really moisturizing, comfortable on my lips. But yeah, I think this would be a great lip topper. It's not sticky at all. I would just say this is a really nice lip gloss. It honestly doesn't blow me away because it's pretty normal, standard lip gloss. If it had this color to it, that would really, really impress me. But I mean, it's still really nice. It feels great on my lips. I like how it looks. Since it's so shiny, it's very flattering. It gives more of a plumped look to my lips. So I'm really happy with it, but I honestly don't feel like I would spend $17 to get this lip gloss because I can find lip glosses this nice for $1. So nothing wrong with it, just nothing that's amazing me so much. And it's tough. I mean, I've tried 843 makeup products now, so I know when a product is good. Like, I know this is a good lip gloss, but I just have so much to compare it to, and I'm on the search for something a little bit better than like a standard product these days to actually really wow me. But so speaking of lip glosses, let me know what your favorites are in the comments down below. I love lip gloss, so I would love to hear what your favorite lip glosses are in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.